any tomato sauce on this pizza. Look at this pizza.
You
This
are a good
pizza is
cook.
like... Let me take off the background. I love to cook. I think I'm a good cook.
Oh,
No, look, they didn't put any tomato sauce on here.
it's look delicious. I think it's very
I'm glad you
yummy.
liked it. Well, thank you, Waleed.
And you love cook, I think. I'm right?
I do, yes.
Can you teach me? My wife, she can't cook.
Yes. A lot of people don't know how to cook. I've been learning since I was, oh my God, a teenager, because my mom would not cook. She was always drunk.
Oh my God.
That's why I said what I said earlier. That's how I learned. I love to cook so much. But yes, I did. I had to learn how to cook because she did not cook. She was drunk all the time. Drunk, passed out, sleeping.
In my country, people thinking girls and women cook for them, not men. And your country?
Say that again, Waleed.
In my country, people think cooking is the girls and women do that.
Cooking is a survival skill, Waleed. If you didn't have a wife, how would you survive?
Yeah,
Think
you're
about
right.
it.
But my country, everyone thinking wife do it, but no one try to cook. Me also not able to cook.
Well, it's that way here too. It's here too. But people are starting to think, because some Americans don't get married. So, what do? You have to learn.
But my
If
country,
you never, some people don't.
very rare
Sorry, go ahead.
unmarried person. When he able to marry, she can do it. But I want to cook, but I can't. I will learn how to cook. I want to a good cook. I'm
It's fun.
one day I think I
You
can
should.
if I try.
Maybe you cook better than your wife.
One day. Not now, but I think.
I think you could try. It would be fun. My grandpa, I have a good my grandpa, because in America things were a lot different back then. So women really were expected to cook, and so my grandma cooked. And when my grandma would get sick, my grandpa would be hungry because he did not know how to cook.
Okay. Your grandma made some special food for you?
Who?
Yeah.
When my grandma would be sick, he would make me cheese bread because he didn't know how to cook.
You like it?
Yeah, it's better than being hungry. But that's what we ate when my grandma would be sick, because my grandpa didn't know how to cook, So it's just something to think about.
Okay.
See, my friend here, he's Filipino, and he's a chef because he loves to cook.
Really?
Yeah.
That's great.
Hi, Pastor.
What's your favorite food in your country?
Probably chicken. I would say seafood, but I eat so much chicken because I love it. I love boneless chicken, Asian chicken, breaded chicken. Oh my God, there's so much things you can do with chicken.
If you don't mind, are you foodie person?
Fried chicken.
Are you foodie?
I love food.
Me too.
Yes.
I'm also.
I love food, and I love taking pictures of my food.
You eat ever beef?
Beef. I don't eat a lot of beef. I like beef, but I do not eat a lot of beef. I just don't. I don't know why.
But it's my
No
favorite.
reason.
It's my favorite. I love beef.
You like beef? Is good. I just don't eat a lot for some reason.
Yeah, so many.
Shaggy, what do you eat a lot of?
I'm not eating a
Yeah,
lot,
they say.
but I love.
So many things we can't eat a lot of because of the
I like fish also, but my wife don't like fish.
We got dark meat and light meat. I used to like the dark meat better, but now I'm starting starting to eat a lot of chicken breasts. But I used to eat a lot of chicken thighs and chicken legs because they're the most flavorful, I think.